said it, and this is what the consumer is looking for, Ben. He's looking for full traceability. So this is where I think it's very exciting that we're working together, because on our data collection, we have a cloud. So all of our points where we collect data goes to the cloud. That cloud can go into Constellation, and then that data is stored on the blockchain, where the likes of institutions, research centers, pharmaceutical companies, anybody that's getting into this space now that looks for full data, end-to-end chains, we'll have the full chain. There's no middlemen, even when it comes down to the bank.
It's super fascinating. I'll kind of extend that vision a little further, is that we're entering an era where every business has to be data mining in some capacity. And this data not only helps them produce better products or underwrite more loans, but it actually allows people to create data-centric products for other industries. Hedge funds take all of this information, satellite information on where crops are producing, how climate is faring, and then they make predictions on commodities tradings or what markets are going to be valuable. And so that data that you're collecting in the industry is extremely valuable and can be traded on an open and decentralized capacity for people to create new applications, new products, make predictions that allows them to get into commodities trading. That it's a really, really big vision that you guys are painting there that's connected through the entire supply chain.